Yo, what is up guys? I am back with another video, and today I am going to be unboxing the Fire Stick 4K edition from Amazon. It has the HDR capabilities, and I'm actually really excited about it. So let's go ahead and get into the box. You see on the top here we have a pull tab right here. Comes right open. And now I'm going to go ahead and pull this out, and we get a black box. I'm going to pull this out. Just a black box all the way around. Open this up. And first things first, we have the documentation for the Fire TV Stick 4K. Looks pretty good. Brilliant picture, and includes the Alexa voice remote. So let's set those off to the side now and move on. What do we got under here? We have the power cable. Powering it up when it's plugged into the TV is this cable. We're going to set that off to the side. And we got the USB adapter for the wall. Let's go ahead and take this plastic off. Very matte feel to it. Pretty nice. Let's go ahead and set that to the side. And what looks to be AA batteries for the remote, most likely. They are, and they are Amazon branded. Nice batteries. I like these ones. I like Amazon branded batteries. They're nice. So let's go ahead and set those off to the side, if they want to go to the side. And what do we got next? We have the actual remote. Let's go ahead and take this plastic off, pull it out. And here's the remote. It's got a matte feel to it as well, and I actually love this feel. It feels very premium for a plastic product. And I love that noise too. And nice clicky buttons. I like that. It's pretty nice looking remote. Let's go ahead and put those batteries from earlier in. There's one. There's two. And we have the batteries in. Next up, we have what is likely the Fire Stick itself. Oh, it is. The Amazon Fire Stick. Very nice. Alright, let's figure out a way to get this out of here. Looks like I pull from here. Pull that open, pull it by the HDMI, and here it is. Very nice. This feels really nice. Nice matte texture feeling. Power and where it goes into your TV. Very nice. This is a nice product. Looks very, very good. Yeah. I honestly think these are pretty cool looking. These are pretty cool looking products. Well, let's go ahead and take care of this mess and take a look at these. We see the details about the remote. It's pretty nice. Nice and clicky. It's got the power button. I put the batteries in. It's pretty nice. But the actual Fire TV stick, this is what's going to be fun to use. Going to be able to watch some pretty good stuff with this 4K. It's a pretty good looking product. So thank you guys for watching. That was my unboxing of the Amazon Fire Stick 4K edition. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and because I'll be doing more cool videos just like this, more satisfying plastic wrap videos. So, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You won't know what you're missing until it's too late. So I'll see you guys in the next video.